Installing the Pure Home X5 whole house water filter from PuriTeam is really a very simple process. Your first step is to prepare for your installation by choosing the location where you want to set up the system. You don't want to install the system outdoors unless if you're in an area that never freezes. Choose a flat, steady surface for best results. You'll want to lay out the parts that you have to make sure that you've received everything, including your boxes of media and the tank. If you're going to install the recommended three-way bypass, purchase these items separately for about $50 at any hardware store. We recommend that you purchase FlowGuard Gold CPVC cement for connections and use CPVC for best results. Next, you'll want to prepare your connections. Prepare your plumbing connections, including the three-way bypass and the union connections. Building a three-way bypass is recommended to ensure quick system bypass when needed. You'll need to sand the burrs on the CPVC pipe when preparing the connections. And here's the finished three-way bypass. For now, we'll be setting this aside for use later. Next, in step 3, you'll want to add media to the main tank. You want to position your main tank and place the blue cap over the riser tube inside the main tank. The center riser tube will be in the middle of the tank, centered. Don't worry if you don't have a blue cap, you can simply place a piece of tape over the riser tube opening. You'll want to position the funnel on the centered riser tube and put a mask on. Next, slowly add the media to the tank. First, you'll add the KDF, which is the gold material, and then the carbon material, which is black. Remember to wear a mask so that you don't breathe in the dust. Step 5, you want to fill the main tank with water. Using a garden hose, fill the main tank with water until full. This will allow the media to soak while you connect your plumbing. The next step, step 6, will be to connect the cap. Screw the black cap on the main tank, hand tightening only. Be careful not to over-tighten. Next, you'll want to install the pre-filter to the main tank. Take the pre-filter sediment filter and insert it into the pre-filter housing. You'll want to use Teflon tape and wrap both ends of the threads of the 6-inch pipe nipple and connect the pre-filter housing in the main tank cap to the pipe nipple. Connect the sediment filter to the main tank cap. The connection should be out to out. You can see here in the picture that it's out to out, from the pre-filter housing to the main tank cap. This is important in your setup. Next, you'll want to install your bypass connections. Turn your water off your main water main and drain the pipe. Using a pipe cutter, you'll want to cut your main water line to install the recommended bypass. And here's the bypass fully installed on the main water line. Next, you'll want to plumb in your remaining connections. Once all your connections are complete, you'll want to ease the water on into the main tank. Next, you'll need to drain it to the outdoors if possible, turning on your cold water only, slowly. We recommend running it on an outdoor spigot for as long as it takes for the water to run clear. Usually it's 10 to 20 minutes. And that's it. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your Pure Home X5 whole house water filter system. Now you can enjoy the benefits of filtered water for every outlet in your home. For complete installation instructions, please visit our site at the Pure Home X5 or X51 product page, and you'll find installation instructions there. And remember, you can always call us with any questions. We're here Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. till 7 p.m. at 888-491-4100. Thanks for your time today, and best of luck with your new Pure Home X5 whole house water filter system.